Hey everyone! In this video, I'm reviewing the Brizy website builder. Find links to Brizy and related resources in the description below. Brizy is a user-friendly platform perfect for freelancers, small businesses, and creatives. It offers intuitive, no-code website building in 2 versions, a standalone cloud-based builder and a WordPress plugin. A standout feature is the drag-and-drop editor. Easily customize pre-made elements like text blocks, images, forms, and call-to-action buttons. Unlike template-based builders, Brizy gives you complete layout control. Position and resize elements freely within its clean, minimal interface. Brizy provides modern, mobile-responsive templates for portfolios, agencies, e-commerce, and more. These templates are fully customizable, ensuring your site looks great on any device. A global styling feature lets you easily maintain consistent branding across your site. For businesses, Brizy supports e-commerce integrations through WooCommerce, WordPress version, and other payment gateways, cloud version. This allows you to create online stores or sell services directly. Built-in SEO tools and analytics integrations help optimize and track your site's performance. Brizy Cloud, the standalone version, includes hosting, making it an all-in-one solution. The WordPress plugin seamlessly integrates into your existing setup, offering advanced customization. Brizy is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile, beginner-friendly builder with flexible design options. Its dual approach caters to various needs, from simple landing pages to fully functional business websites. Check the links below to explore Brizy and see if it's right for you. I hope this review helps you decide if Brizy meets your website building needs.